Good day, this is Sir Bren, and our lesson for today is about solving exponential equations with same basis. Our first example is 3 raised to x plus 2 is equals to 9 raised to 2x minus 3. Okay. First step is to convert to a common base. So, hanapin natin yung multiple nitong 3 and 9. So, remember that 3 raised to 1 or 3 is equals to 3 then. And then 3 raised to 2 is 9. Now, 3 raised to 1 is 3. Just copy this one. And then yung kanan, no, right side is 3 raised to 2. Okay, and then put parentheses dun sa 2x minus 3. And then next step is remember the law of exponent na a raised to m quantity n, no, raised to n is equals to the product of the two exponents. Ang gagawin natin dito, we distribute 2 doon sa loob. Okay, therefore sa right side is 2 times 2x is 4x, and then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Since the bases are equal, no, pares na silang 3, then exponents must be equal to each other. Ibig sabihin, ibababa na natin itong mga exponents. X plus 2 is equals to 4x minus 6. And then finally, we will solve for x. Okay, yung x sa left side, positive 4x magiging negative 4x. Yung positive 2 sa kaliwa magiging negative sa kanan. Okay, solve algebraically. So this is negative 3x. This is negative 8. We divide both sides by negative 3. This one cancels. Dito tayo class. X is equals to negative 8 divided by negative 3 is positive 8 over 3. So this is the answer. Second example. Okay, we find the multiple of 125 and 25. Remember that 5 raised to 3 is 125 and 5 raised to 2 is 25. We change this into 5 raised to 3, then quantity x minus 1 is equals to, yung 25 naman is 5 raised to 2 times x plus 3. Okay, again, doing the law of exponents, gagawin natin, we distribute 5, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 is equals to 5, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is positive 6. Since we have same bases, ibababa na lang natin yung mga exponents, no? And then we solve for x. 3x, yung negative 2x positive magiging negative sa left side. Yung negative 3x sa kaliwa magiging positive sa kanan. Okay, 3x minus 2x is x is equals to 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So the value of x is 9. Next example is this one. We find the multiples of, or the multiple of 8 and 16. Remember that 8 is 2 raised to 3 and 16 is 2 raised to 4, diba? Okay, we change this one as 2 raised to 3 and then times 4x minus 12, and then 2 raised to 4 times 5x minus 3. Okay, we distribute this to the inside. 3 times 4x, 12x. 3 times negative 12 is negative 36. Dito naman 4 times 5x is 20x. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Since same basis, equate natin yung mga exponent with each other. And then solve for x. 20x to the other side becomes negative 20x. 36 to the other side becomes positive 36. 12x minus 20x is negative 8x. Negative 12 plus 36 is positive 24. Divide both sides by negative 8. Maka-cancel ito. X therefore is 24 divided by negative 8 is negative 3. This is our answer. Our last example is this one. So we will get the multiple of 9 and 3. 9 is 3 squared. 8 times x raised to 2 is equals to 3x plus 2. Mapapansin nyo rito sa problem natin, meron tayong exponent na x squared, no? Since parehas na yung base nila, ibaba na natin yung kanilang mga exponent. So we have 2x squared is equals to x plus 3. And now we will solve for x. No? So we will equate this to 0, 2x squared, and then we transpose yung x plus 3 to the other side, magiging negative x minus 3 is equals to 0. Mapapansin nyo, this is a quadratic equation. Ibig sabihin, dalawa yung value ng x natin dito. Okay, we will do the trial and error method to find the value of x. So we have 2x here and then x. So para maging negative 3, so we have 3 times 1, 3 and 1. And then para maging negative x yung middle term, lagyan natin to ng negative and this one is positive. So pag binalik natin siya by FOIL method, ang magiging sagot natin na ito, di ba? Okay, and then we equate yung ating mga roots sa 0. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. So makikita natin dalawa yung value ng x natin dyan. We solve for x. 2x negative 3 to the other side is positive 3. Divide both sides by 2. X is equals to 3 halves. Dito naman, x positive to the other side, magiging negative 1. Other answer for x is negative 1. Again, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have learned from this lesson. This is Sir Bren. I will see you on my next video. God bless you and stay safe.